What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a Chaos Rising Palmot, I guess, triple promo blister with the coin. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, here's a better look at the first promo card, second, and obviously Palmot. And a Chikorita coin. All right, let's see if we can get a single pack snipe. Code card, Psychic. Okay, it's grass. Wait, one more? Okay, yeah, good. Well, we may have not gotten a hit, but we have these 3 promos and the coin. So if you guys like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe.